how to use duplicate cards in Royal Match. So if you won a card back and you just get a random card that you already have, just go ahead to your bottom right collections for you to be able to see your duplicates. You're gonna go ahead and go to the place where you got the card and see that you have a +1 or +2 depending on how many duplicate cards you have of the specific card. So the more cards you have, the more stars you will get. So if you have 100 duplicate cards, you are able to exchange it for the specific chest. So if you have to 50, you're gonna get the silver one, and then 500 if you really want the most value of your duplicate cards. So you will be using them up, so those duplicate cards will of course disappear. But another way to use your cards is by going directly to the duplicate card you have and pressing on the screen. So I mean, not pressing on the screen, pressing on that card, specific card, press, and then once you're there, as you can see, there's a daily limit of 3/3. That's how many times you can send a card in Royal Match. So just go ahead and press and send. So if you're in a team, you should be able to find that you are able to send to every single member in your clan, as you can see, but only 3 of them because 3 limit. And of course, if you have the duplicate card, so since you already have one and only have one, you are only able to send one of those. You can also go to your friends if you have any. Just go ahead and find friends. You can go ahead and add the people. Maybe someone wants to ask you and blah blah blah. You can go ahead and connect your Facebook to have more access to friends. But that's pretty much how you use your duplicate cards in Royal Match. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Don't mind me asking for cards. That was just a test. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.